Get your hands ready to wave and we'll sing our song, Hello Everybody. Everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's thumbs up. Can you do your thumbs up? Or your A-OK? I know you can. Hello everybody, and how are you? How are you? Hello everybody, and how are you today? Your thumbs up and A-OK. Your hands ready. We'll start out medium fast. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. That was good. And I bet you can do it faster. Let's do it faster. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. All right. Nicely done. And how shall we do it next? Shall we do the super sneaky, quiet clapping? I think that's everybody's favorite. Let's try it. Yay! I knew you could do it. You guys have been practicing so much. Are you ready to do open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. And you remember the creepy crawl, then goes down to your knees. A little tap, tap, tap. Let's sing together. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creepy crawl them, right down to your knees, knees, knees. Give your knees a little tap, then right back to your lap, lap, lap. Let's go a little faster. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Oh, very good. And there's one more song we have to sing before Miss Cindy comes with her book for story time. Can you get your books ready with your hands? And then think about reading your story. You can make any story up when you're reading your story, your pretend story. This is the way we read our books, read our books, read our books. This is the way we read our books so early in the morning.
Hi Storytimers, how are you today? Are you thumbs up? Are you A-OK? I hope so. I sure am. The book we're going to share today is about construction workers. Do you like to build things? I do. Maybe you have blocks that you like to build with. If you build with blocks, you're a construction worker. Sure you are. They build things with all kinds of materials. When you build with your blocks, you are a construction worker. Our book is called Construction Workers by Chris Bowman. Let's see what it says. Time to build. Robert is building a new house. He carries wood to his work area. He's building a new house. He has to carry wood. He must be very strong. Robert builds a wall with his hammer and nails. The house will be ready soon. Wow! He gets to use a hammer and nails. Do you like to hammer? Maybe you could ask your mom and dad if you could have a hammer Hammering is fun. They could show you some things that you could hammer. Maybe you could hammer in a piece of wood. Or maybe you could hammer on some concrete somewhere. You could ask your mom and dad. They'll teach you about hammering. What are construction workers? Construction workers build roads and bridges, and they also make buildings. Wow, construction workers are busy people. There's always something new to build. They work at construction sites. Sites are found in big cities and small towns. We build things everywhere. What do construction workers do? They first prepare the site. They make sure everything is safe. Yes, they have to make sure things are safe before they can build. They clean the area. They have to move materials for the project. Wow, look at all those materials. Yes, there's rebar, there's steel, there's beams and wood, lots of heavy things to move. Construction workers have a lot of gear. Small tools and big machines help them build. This man's using a roller. We know about a roller. That's a construction vehicle. Yeah. Construction workers are strong. These workers lift heavy objects often. Wow, he's carrying a steel beam. I'm sure he has helpers that we can't see in that picture. I'm sure he couldn't carry it by himself. If there were a lot of beams to lift, what machine would be a good one for him to use? I know you know it. That's right, the crane. Cranes lift heavy things. They are also careful. Construction workers build our world. Wow, they build our world. And they are careful. Do you see this worker has a hat on, special hat? It's called a hard hat. If you work on a construction site, you have to wear a hard hat. So if something falls on your head, it won't hurt your head. You have to be safe if you're a construction worker. Boy, that looks like fun. Well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
I bet you could help me stack these blocks. Let's see if you can. Put the big one down here and then we'll stack them very carefully. We'll make them really tall. Looks like they're having a fun day. It's getting tall. Gotta stack 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Oops. There's the sunshine. That must be morning. Stack, stack, stack the blocks. Make a stack so tall. It's fun to stack the blocks so high. It's fun to see them fall. Stack, stack, stack the blocks. Make a stack so tall. It's fun to stack the blocks so high. It's fun to see them fall. My blocks didn't fall. I needed your help to make them fall. Stack, stack, stack the blocks. Make a stack so tall. It's fun to stack the blocks so high. It's fun to
Hi, it's Miss Cindy. I'm back to say thank you for watching Storytime at Home. If you want to know more about the subject of this book, construction workers, you can go to factsurfer.com. Just type in factsurfer, one word, .com in your browser, and it'll take you to a site where they have more information about construction workers, games you can play, all kinds of things that the children can do to find out more about the subject. See you next time. Bye-bye.